Everyone, today I'm gonna make an easy t-shirt for Ken. I like to use stretch material because it's easy to work with this material and you don't need to secure the end of the material. I measured the distance from the shoulders and I like a little bit more and I cut it. Let's cut the neckline. I bend it again. I will sew only the lateral sides of the t-shirt from the sleeve to the waist. I'm gonna secure the end of the thread. I insert the needle near the knot. And I will sew. I insert the needle a few times in the end line. I cut the excess of the material carefully to not cut the sewing line. This is my t-shirt. Now let's try it on the Ken. This is the face. If you enjoyed this video, until next time, bye guys!